Hello guys, in today's video we'll show you how to fix the redemption 2 lag problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here, and after that type background apps, and then turn off this option to turn off all those background applications, and then open GeForce Experience. If you don't have it, just download it from your browser. And now just click check for updates and install the last update for your graphics card, and then click home. And once you're here, we need to find the redemption 2. When you find it, just click on it and click details, and now after that click custom settings, and once you're here, move this one to performance, just like that, and then click apply, and then change it, just like as you want, and then click apply, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you will need to launch it from GeForce Experience. Click launch, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and see you in the next video.